Right, we've moved on to the cutting tools for metal. So what we've got is a series of files and a hacksaw. So these are the cutting tools. We'll start with the files. So there's all different types of files. So you've got flat files, rounds, another flat file, half round with a flat on one side, and then a little square file. Okay. So a square file might be for cleaning up a little square section where you can only get a small file in. Yep. Half round, you might use that for doing a bit of shaping, and you can use the flat for the other side. Yep. Flat on both sides, just flat work. And then on this edge here, it's got a safety edge, so you might need to put that up against something without cutting that face and file with that face. Yep, same as that. Round for filing round holes in something. And this is another flat one, but it's actually a finishing file, so the teeth one's a lot finer compared to that one there. When you pick a file up, you always inspect it, make sure the handle's still tight, have a look at the blade. As you can see, where we're going to cut here is actually full of sawdust and stuff, so if you start filing that, it's not going to cut very evenly. So to clean that, what you do is get a file card. It's got a file card, so it's just got a wire brush there. And what you do is you sit it on the bench or on a vise. If you can't hang on to it, you can actually just sit it in the vise with some jaw guards and clean it. How I usually do is you just hold it there, put your glasses on, protect your eyes, and the teeth are going that way, so you just run the file card through that way and flip it over. That's called a file card, so it cleans the teeth of the files out. Okay, we'll now move on to Don, one of my colleagues, and he'll actually show you how to use the file properly.